Searching for top-notch plumbing services in Waterford or nearby areas like Bloomfield, White Lake, or Troy? Look no further than Steve's Waterworks Plumbing. Our expert plumbers specialize in everything from water heater repair and replacement to drain cleaning and sewer line repair. Need hydrojetting solutions to clear stubborn clogs or an emergency plumber you can count on? We've got you covered. Whether you're in Rochester Hills or Commerce Township, our team is ready to fix your plumbing issues quickly and efficiently. Visit us online today to learn more about our services.